story begins on a February morning. This young zebra has waited 12 long months. But now it is time for her to become a mother. This is her first baby. We will name him Punda. Punda Milia in Swahili means zebra. He is a foal, a member of the horse family, but he has stripes and he is wild. Just a few minutes after his birth, the youngster tries to stand up. When you are one of the weaker species of the savannah, it is a question of survival, because predators are numerous. In less than an hour, Punda will know how to walk and to run. No zebra has the same stripes. Each one different, each one unique. A little like us with our fingerprints. Punda discovers the herd and the essential skill of learning to recognize his mother in the middle of a jungle of stripes. This funny coat, what's it for? To make the predators dizzy? To ward off the tsetse flies? To camouflage? It's one of the zebra's best kept secrets. No scientists have found the answer yet. During his first days of life, the smells and sounds of his mother guide the little zebra. Without her, he could not live. She feeds him her milk and protects him from all dangers. In this black and white family, there is another zebra who fascinates the foal. His father, the stallion, who reigns jealously over the 4 females of his harem. Punda is already copying him. Mimicry is part of his learning. Wildebeests often share the pastures and watering holes with the zebras. They are valuable allies, but Punda will have to wait until he is bigger to understand why. For the moment, he must just get used to them, or even compare himself with them. There's no doubt here, a little zebra is just as fast and agile as a little wildebeest. He discovers storks and all kinds of birds, such as plovers. In his little world, there are now gazelles. Warthogs. The young zebra sees for the first time otocions, or bat-eared foxes. They are totally harmless and live mainly on insects.